spring morning, bright and new, little Lily walked through drops of dew. She saw a flower standing tall, with tiny blossoms bright and small. "Hello," it said with colors sweet, "I'm Hyacinth, aren't I neat? Hyacinth, hyacinth, growing in the sun, purple, pink, white flowers for everyone. Drink some water, feel the light, growing strong and growing bright." Lily asked, "How do you grow?" Hyacinth smiled, "I'll tell you so. I start as a bulb under the ground, sleeping quietly without a sound. When springtime comes, I wake and rise, reaching up towards sunny skies. Hyacinth, hyacinth, growing day by day, roots below and leaves on display. Sun and rain help me grow right, nature's magic, what a sight." Soon a bee came buzzing near. "I love your smell," it hummed with cheer. A butterfly danced light and free. "Your bright colors are perfect for me." Hyacinth laughed, "Flowers help the earth. We give the garden color and worth." Hyacinth, hyacinth, growing day by day, roots below and leaves on display. Sun and rain help me grow right, nature's magic, what a sight. Where do bulbs grow? Round. What helps flowers? Sun and rain. All around. What colors do hyacinths show? Pink, white, purple as they grow. Lily watered the soil with care. Fresh spring breezes filled the air. Day by day, the garden grew more bright. Hyacinths came into view. "I learned today," said Lily with a grin, "big, beautiful flower starts small within." Hyacinth, hyacinth,